we are seeing higher and higher money flow, higher and higher VWAP. So we got this VWAP curving up, this trigger wave potentially about to form in this desert. We have this giant momentum desert down here, and we're about to print a cacti. Well, oh well, if it ain't us with the crystal ball market cipher. It's been a few days already, hasn't it, huh? Since my last video, and price is up even if you caught the top. And that's just assuming you caught the top and not a good average. A bearish trigger wave here, as seen on the 12-hour, which is technically a bearish divergence. Not the greatest look, if I'm being quite frank. Hey, there's a chance. If we can retain these levels as support. These levels are the AVWAPs from the last high, which we are currently above. So as we are above them, we can say with good credence that we will continue to rip upwards. So obviously with confluence to that daily, we had the curvature on these lower time frame of money flow and momentum coming up. But in the current, in the now, we are currently coming down. If we retain these VWAPs as support, the money flow will lengthen out and dip barely in the red and will continue up and have a new wave, which is what the hopium is for the bulls here. But again, zoom out to the 12-hour and we do have this bearish divergence, which isn't very pretty, and on Ethereum it's much worse. Bearish divergence in a bull trend typically doesn't play out that bad. And I think Nick Cipher was talking about futures gap around 64k, so roughly around here. And that's not too far away. You know, that's about right where we came from. All I know is that we're not super confident yet, even though we're above the AVWAPs. Next thing is I want to get some traditional analysis in here as well. So we're going to look at the SPX. We're going to switch to a chart with a lot more crud on it. And we're above all the AVWAPs on this one, and this one looks a lot more bullish. Unlike Bitcoin, we don't have that crazy bear div. AVWAPs even from the local high. So it's clear skies as far as I'm concerned. Still holding long on this one. On the SPX, probably aiming to around 5,500, you know. We'll see when we get there, but this is pretty clear momentum. Pretty clear, pretty supercharged, and hopefully this keeps crypto up as well. Anyways, lots of ETF news about Ethereum, and price is not really reciprocating too well. Higher lows, higher highs, not retaining support above the AVWAPs. In fact, using it as resistance and now below. Really annoying. That's, you know, it is what it is. This definitely looks uglier than Bitcoin, and it is technically a bearish divergence. If y'all want a cool, fancy looking crystal ball of the future as well that you can make proper analysis with, just go ahead and go over to marketciphertrading.com. Marketciphertrading.com is the indicator that I use. I'll have it in the link in the description below. I teach personally one-on-ones, so if you want to learn into it quick, hit me up and I can do a one-on-one with you and tutor you to learn how to use this epic crystal ball of the future. Otherwise, there's plenty of free content out there that I post that I also recommend. Nick Cipher posts, CryptoFace posts, Evan Aldo posts, Jason Casper posts, Tom Crown posts. There's so many guys that post market cipher related content for free, and they also have their own paid courses and discords as well. But yeah guys, if you like this video, leave a like, maybe sub, and tell me what you want to see in the next video.